All right, ladies and gentlemen, I went and closed my shorts. Let me jump in here in the voice chat as well in the Discord. All right, here we are. All right. I don't have my camera right now, probably in a minute or so. But I closed my shorts because I think the market is about to do a major reversal here. It's getting wild. So my camera looks so disgustingly weird. All right. Let me fix my camera. All right. All right. Here we are. Hey, I got the green bear shirt on. You can't really see it that well. You don't really need to see me though. What you need to see is that the charts. I closed my shorts. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let me show you guys. We're gonna add it up here as well. I'm gonna Discord it as well. Let me got the other headset. Let me make sure I have the right headset in Discord. I'll test the Discord audio in a second. Alright, if anyone on Discord, can you do a mic check? I want to make sure I have the right headset working. I don't hear it doing that ping. So, alright, I can hear you. Can you do another mic check again? Was that yo, bro?
Yeah, I'm reading you loud and clear.
Alright.
Yep.
I hear you. Man.
Cool.
Oh, shit. Shit, this is wild.
I've been missing you, big dog. I wish you were live a little more often.
Yeah, but my trading strategy, I just have to be more passive, you know? If I'm here every day doing this, it's just watching the same position for like 20, 30 days at a time and nothing new.
Yeah, I've been copying your trade notices whenever I see them pop up in my notifications. I've been doing pretty all right.
Sorry, I had a call right now too. Shit. I went long all night and Cardano and Doge, by the way. 1 second. Yes, sir. Have you did you close your Bitcoin short? Look at that. Look at the I closed the Bitcoin short for over 5,000%. I closed the ETH short for 5,800%. That one dropped really low. And then XRP, it dropped to like $1.22. Let me since we have the Discord here, you guys can just see here. I also entered a long on Doge at 5:06 p.m. shared with the Discord at 0944. And then I went long on Night at 03671. And I also went long on Cardano 21.65 cents. So I'm a little bit early here. I'm just letting you know, like some of you guys, you're a little bit more patient than I am. I know I'm going to be busy in about 10 minutes. I'll be super busy for like next few days. If you're a little bit more patient than I am, you might get a better entry on longs than I just did. And I'm not confident enough in the market to go long on Bitcoin yet. But here we are. I would probably do a long on ETH right here. I know there's people down like billions of dollars on ETH that probably would not mind dollar cost averaging into their positions. So let me grab a little bit ETH long as well. Start that DCA. I'm early. Just let you guys know I'm early. So my ETH long is at 1902.45. 1902.45. Let me throw that in Discord, share your entries. I like sharing these entries and exits with the Discord. I've won the majority of my trades over the past 365 days. And I'm able to do that by not using too much margin compared to leverage. So my entry is 1902.45. Let me grab that for you too. So I closed my short at 1907 and then entered long at 1902.45, like $5 lower. So I'll add that chart in there as well. So yo, bro, tell me about your trades. What are your last trades? Yeah, fuck
I've been
GameStop.
messing. I've been messing with the lab token. I caught a long at 1650. I'm looking for a short. If you got a chance to look at the chart, it looks like it's short somewhere around 24, but I don't know. Keep squeezing a little bit.
What's the market cap of the coin before I even look at the chart? I don't short coins generally under $10 million market cap for the most part.
That's 715 million.
All right. What's the ticker?
LAB.
Is it a
It's
stock or a
fairly
crypto?
new. Crypto.
Let me do some research off the thing real quick. Because you said the market cap's 700 million. I want to check liquidity. So LAB?
Yeah, LAB.
They have so many tickers with LAB. Like this one's at like $8 billion market cap that I'm looking at. But it looks like so the one you told me different market cap. Can you send me a link so I can see the exact one you're looking at? A lot of cryptos have the same tickers. Man, I warned people. Like when I went to Vegas, yeah, send me a link and I'll check it. I warned people like this stock right here. This stock is gonna fucking depeg. It's not gonna always be $100. They try to par value $100 for this stock called Stretch, where they offer 11.5% dividend. Ho ho ho! 2 months of dividends going already from the price dropping. Look at that. This is a company that's tied to MicroStrategy where they try to sell you the stock to offer you a dividend. But the holders, if you get a dividend, that's cool. But what happens when your stock value goes down? Then you lose your principal money. Try to warn people. I even posted in Discord after I saw these guys in Vegas. Sailor again. I saw their COO when I saw them in Vegas trying to offer this product. If you want to call it a product, this fucking shit is garbage. This is like 2008 stock market crash garbage. I would never in my life give them $1 fucking dollar for this piece of shit stock. Ever. If you don't know where the yield comes from, you are the yield. You will get wrecked. Your money will disappear. Be careful here. So Sailor's been under a lot of pressure lately after MicroStrategy sold 32 Bitcoin. Oh,
what do you want to link to their website or the white paper?
the coin market cap. So I know exactly
Okay.
what token you're trading.
Okay. Yeah, I'm
Like,
not sure how to find that. I was just on the MEX info.
send me a link of wherever you found the coin. Like, if I can see where you found the coin, then I can start researching it. But like I mentioned earlier, it has two
Yeah,
different.
I'm on MEXC. That's where I'm trading it. But yeah, I'll try and find a link.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this thing. I'm trying to make the thumbnail a little bit more better for the content that we're doing. All right. So, did you close a Bitcoin short today? I earned over 14,000% in these trades. Fucking crazy. I closed them though. Closed them. I took those profits. Oh, I'm not seeing some fucking wick up. Don't out those profits. I took those. Took that. Took it. Secured profits. I'm a trader. As a trader, holders will hate me, but other traders will love me.
I put that link in your personal chat or what when I click your name right now.
All right. Okay, so that's the same one that I saw. The market cap. The market cap's $11 billion for the unlocked market cap. Their
Oh,
regular,
gotcha.
yeah, you told me 300 million, I think.
Well, 715 is what MEXC's got it at.
Yeah, they got the wrong market cap based off the supply. You're thinking about shorting that company, crypto?
Well, I just thought the spike was pretty
Pretty
outrageous.
irrational.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I think it looks pretty irrational. I mean, I wouldn't throw the whole bank into shorting it, but like if you want to short it, it does look like a decent short entry. That's the patterns that you want to look for. But I would have to oh yeah, so actually the coin market cap price is different than what I see on I bet Metsi it already dumped a little bit, right? Like $23, $24. My market cap's like $26. What's the price you see on your app?
On the buy side, it's like 23.77.
Yeah. I mean, liquidity is thinning out on these apps. I'll enter a short on it as well. I'm using Wheats. Have you used Wheats before?
Yeah, I'm on weeks. Yeah, I was looking to short around like 24.30, somewhere around there. It keeps rejecting.
So are you shorting on Wheats or shorting on METC?
Weeks, my bad. Yeah, weeks.
Yeah, I was thinking like trying to get like the charts. Yeah, I entered a short on it as well. So somebody in YouTube chat asked me about GameStop, and unfortunately, like, I'll show you what I think about GameStop. And I don't like to just show people what I say. I like to have it documented. But before I do that, let me show the chart that the guy is talking about on Discord about Lab. And I start shorting this thing right here as well. So what was my exact entry? Let me... I'm just going to put a screenshot of my entry in my short as well. $23.70. This is on Wheats. So sometimes you cannot do these trades. That's fine. If you're not on the platform, that's fine. But if you want to be on the platform that I'm trading on, I would suggest you look into Wheats. And then I also have a referral link for people that sign up on my link, get bonuses sometimes. I'll throw that in the chat if any of you guys are interested in YouTube. I've been using their platform since, what, 2021, heading into 2022 during crypto crash. And when I went long on Bitcoin and crypto at the bottom, I did not have any issues. So I'll throw that in the chat. They have more than futures trading. They have spot trading as well. I'll put it in the chat for you guys. But 23.70. This is my entry. I'll throw it in the carry entries channel as well. Yo, bro, what did you just start shorting it, or are you thinking about shorting it?
I have an open short at 24.30.
Oh, you have a better entry than me.
Well, it's a market buy that haven't hit it yet. I keep bouncing like 2 pennies below it.
I mean, this thing went from like 13 cents to over $24 in less than 69 days. Super irrational. I wait until that last red block I see on the daily. I'm like, okay, I'll short this one. I mean, it's be good to have like a short while I'm long on everything else. So if you're in this short, do you have an idea where you want to take profits? Are you trying to explore that? If so, I can help you real quick. Based off of what I see on the chart.
Yeah, I was gonna start locking in gains around 16.40 to 15.30, somewhere in there where it kind of hung up for a little bit.
Nah. Let me show you something. So we have this thing on TradingView, right? Check out the 50 moving average and the 200 MA. So that gap right there, 231%. All right. You take 231% and divide it by 2. That gives you 115%. So what I would do after that 115%, I would take the mouse here at that 200 EMA gap and measure 115%. That'd be about $2.40. And then I would find where the highest buy volume candle was. I guess it's right here. And that buy volume from $7.20 up to $12.30. And then the wicks right there. So I would be very happy taking profits right here at the body of the candle to add the highest buy volume at $12.30. So this would be like, well, I would be like in and out. I'm not saying buy at $12.30, but my target would be $12.30 based off of where that volume originally rolled in. So, and then I would classify this as like an in and out trade. Like, I'm not going to be married to the trade. And that would, if I close it at $12.30, let's see how much I would earn. I got to be careful talking about earning and dollar value. By the way, this stream is not financial advice. I'm just a regular trader. This is content for entertainment. But if I close my 50 times short at $12.30, I would earn 2,388%, which is 23 times. 23 times. Put it in perspective. It's an idea to explore shorting it and closing a short right there. I don't want to be greedy and try to short it all the way back down to under $5, an 80% price drop, because even from $24 to that target, that's a 47% price drop. That's still relatively good earnings. Wow, let's look at another Discord member trade, YouTube. Check out this. Tito Magneto, he closed his Bitcoin short from 80,165 down to 67.78. He earned 6,179%. Congratulations, Tito Magneto. Woo! Really good trades. Really good trades. You guys like that painting behind me? A little bit of artwork. Alright, so I short lab. I already saved that. Let's go back over here, see if crypto's potentially recovering. Alright, so good news. Every position that I went long on, and every position that I closed my short on, prices are up. Prices are up. This is beautiful. You guys don't see me as much. And I think last time you saw me, we were in a similar situation. You know what I mean? Bitcoin was around the same price. We had a green block and price went up. Let me show you. This is hilarious. Well, let me. This is so funny. Dang, the arc. So I did a live stream about unicorn fart dust, and that thing was like 1 cent. I did the 1 cent party. And then unicorn fart dust after this eventually went to like over 10 cents. So we went from like 1 cent, 1 cent to 2 cents for unicorn fart dust. If you go to UFD on Coin Market Cap, this thing like for the last month, we were at like Vegas is like in the 0.008 range. Bought it in Vegas, shared it in Discord, shared on YouTube. The 1 cent party around my last stream was let's see, my last stream right here. You guys saw it 3 weeks ago, right? And then after the stream like 3 weeks ago, unicorn fart dust eventually went to like 2.2 cents, so more than 100%. But if you look at the last live stream I did 2 months ago about Bitcoin and stuff, we were in a very similar situation. Look at this. I was closing a bunch of shorts down here, right? Market's open in about 28 minutes. And I was streaming right before market open, and then I closed my shorts took profits on those shorts before the markets were opening. If you look at my last live stream.
Janitors, right?
Let's see. What, did I stream like over 5 hours before taking profits on my shorts? Where is it at? Was it the stream got interrupted before? I saw it right here.
Lab short printing already.
You said lab short printing? Yeah. But last time, 2 months ago, this was 2 months ago, we were in like a similar situation on Bitcoin prices. But I closed my shorts today because I feel like Sailor and MicroStrategy under a lot of pressure. I feel like they're probably going to come in and buy more Bitcoin to try to pump their stretch stock again and show people that they are really buying more than they're selling, so that they're not a net seller. I also bought some Gaiet, and I was looking at the Gaiet wallet, the developer wallet. The developer of Gaiet, he only has $4,000 worth of his own coin in this wallet. I believe he has a second wallet. I was like, okay, market
Lab
cap's
dropped 28%. Sorry.
really? The coin or the short?
Yeah, the coin
Oh my
dropped
god!
to 1530.
Oh my god! This shit started so. Oh my god! It started free falling. Let me put it on the 1 minute see. Oh my god! The Tametheark effect. Holy fuck! My target right there. My target is literally right there. Like my literally target is about to hit. This is the Tametheark effect. Like literally, don't fuck with Tametheark. He might short your coin all the way down to 0 if you fuck up. He doesn't care about money. He cares about the memes. Don't fuck with me. I've seen coins go down over 99% after I enter shorts on them. Don't fuck with Tametheark. Somebody did over a $200,000 short on Lab. This.
Oh man, that was great.
What's the coincidence that I enter a short and then like there's a big $200,000 short immediately after, and then over 1.9 million volume on these contracts on Binance, and this thing just starts fucking bleeding. You know what I think? I think someone messed up their AI agent. Look at this. I did a post on Twitter about shorting it as well, and it had 87 views. It doesn't seem like a lot, but imagine you're an AI trading agent. You see some bearish news about a coin called Lab that pumped exponentially, and you see the entry. The guy share his entry on a nice red block. Like this, AI seeing this would know that you need to short it. An AI seeing this live would know that you need to short this shit. So then a bunch of AI agents probably went and shorted the coin. That's what I think. Dude, this was like the most irrational fucking movement on a coin that I've seen. Look at that. Oh my god. Let me anchor this in place. I mean, look at that volume. It literally dropped 35% within a few minutes of me entering my short at the so my short was right here at 528. So I'm trying to get the exact candle. I don't want to change my take profit either. I want to do like that area. I didn't want to. I'm not marrying the short. I just want to take profit where I have my target. So I got my short right there. All right, so I entered my short at 23.70, 5:28 p.m. and 29:30, around 5:35, the dump started. 5:35, dump started. Look at that. That was a lot of droppage. That was over 36% in 8 minutes. I think the 1230 is good for like a quick trade. Like, if I was trying to measure this in a metric, like the most profits in the shortest time period, that would be there. But then if you the 1520, yeah. I think you told me you were going to try to take your profits around 17 or 16 something, I believe. Did you already start scaling out?
Yeah, I had my initial take profit as 1530. I just pulled a like quarter my bag out.
So I think it's very weird that it dumped 36%. Their market cap's supposed to be in the billions. Woo! That's a big one. Jesus Christ, Lord and Savior of the cryptos. I'm on a roll this week. So I'm almost like questioning, should I take profits at 1230 or scale it all the way down to like 420? I mean, that would be funny meme, 420. I feel like modifying. I'm going to modify my short down to 420. Let me cancel my order at the 1230. I'm 4.20. All right, I'm gonna adjust my short. I'm gonna try to take profits. So I've adjusted my short target to $4.20. After seeing that 35% drop, I imagine the market cap could drop even lower. And I know these percentages are wild, but obviously that coin's not worth $8 billion. Wow. Let's check on the other trades. Bitcoin's up a little bit. Dogecoin's up a little bit. XRP's up a little bit. ETH's up a little bit. I also did want to, let me save this chart. I went long on ADA Cardano because I was like, I had a Cardano position before. It broke the uptrend. I already closed Cardano before, took some nice profits, and I was like, okay, I like Cardano. They're going through a lot of negative news on social media right now, and I like buying when people are crying, so that I don't have to cry when people buy. All right, so let me throw that on the chart over there for you guys. They have another coin that's related to Cardano called Midnight. And I also went long on Midnight. 21.65 cents. So this is my entry on Cardano. It's up a little bit from my entry. Sorry, I'm just posting all these charts and information for you guys, but it's worth looking at. Is the name of the coin even called Cardano? Yes. Sometimes I know before I used to call it Cardano a lot. I've been fine-tuning that pronunciation. Charles is pretty nice, pretty cool. And then I have this chart, and then also midnight. That same picture. Midnight. This one's a little bit weird, but it treated me well before when I traded it. I know they'll have liquidity. And I'm also up already a little bit on this one too. I have some other indicators up here, but... Oh. Trying to save it. File saved to download. So I also put that in share entry. So if you're in my Discord, you get to see the posts, like my entries and charts and stuff. Look at B Squeezy. B Squeezy says, "Good call on that team. Made so much so fast." So I think, oh, he already sold. Look, I see the little buy right there. Let me see. Let me try to get home. I want to see his trade and show off your profits. But yeah, these are, I'm long on Cardano, I'm long on Doge, I'm long on Night. I also started shorting Lab after Yo Bro in the Discord asked me to research it, and it didn't take me long to research this one before I entered a short, and it didn't take that long for my short entry for the price to start dumping. I was looking on putting my profits from my shorts on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP somewhere, and I found the golden goose. Now, I'm going to slaughter the golden goose because I'm greedy. And I say I'm slaughtering the golden goose because after I'm done, the goose is dead. I can't go back to it anymore for any more gold, no more money. My Dogecoin golden goose, I'm never going to kill that one. I can trade that until the day I die. But this coin Lab, I don't know if I can trade this one until the day I die. I enter a short, it will go down to a target, and then I can take profits. But I like to come on Discord at least once a month now, minimum. Probably once a month, and like we're still consistently posting in the Discord. Let me.
I ended up with that same short entry, the 2370 on my Lab.
Nice. Did you already take your profits, or are you still holding it down?
Oh yeah, I'm still holding. I was almost looking for a ad with that somewhat V-shaped recovery. Looks like it'll build out a sweet M.
My God. Oh, you saw that 35% drop. That was like very interesting time. But yeah, I feel like Cardano, they're going to get a lot of attraction. They're trying to get some funding for their Token 2049 booth, and people voted no on a proposal for them to sell Cardano to fund it. So I think they're going to come up with a more creative way to fund it.
Make a video about an event that just These people have caused so much harm.
I watched his video earlier.
People on the KOL side reach out to me and say they're afraid to even market their proposal because they've been so attacked. Every single person who's tried to utilize the treasury for some commercialization to help push it along.
What's up, Tame?
What's up? I just watching Cardano founder earlier talk about Cardano. He's a little bit disappointed. Look at his face right here. I like to buy when people are like this, when the community is like that.
You like to buy what?
Cardano. I think Cardano has treated me very well whenever I bought it in the past in those ranges. I bought Cardano and I bought some Night on longs. And currently I'm shorting a coin called Lab. And then I entered a long on Ethereum. I entered a long on Doge. I'm not long on XRP. I'm not long on Bitcoin yet. But I did close my shorts. Get the cash prepared in case the prices bleed down on those. What are you up to?
Oh yeah, chilling, brother. I was shorting Lab for a minute, then it started shooting up to 23. Other than that,
what did you enter your short at on Lab?
I entered one at 10, and then when it shot down to 7, it made like 500%.
Oh, you entered at $10. What? A long time ago, I imagine?
No, 2 days ago.
Oh yeah, that's a long time ago in the world of crypto. That's like a fucking decade in stocks, let me tell you.
Right, nah. On May 11th, I was longing it, and on Wex, it was showing it at wicked up to $10 on the weekly. So I was like, well, this is weird. It's gonna go up to 10. No one believed me in my Discord I was in. They were all like, fuck, it's not gonna go up to 10. All of a sudden it starts reaching 4, 5, 7, shoots up to 10. The night everybody shorts it at 10, it shoots up to 14, 15. Now it's at 23. It's like, god damn. It's crazy. But no, right now I was trying to short it at 20, 21 and got wrecked for a little bit. Right now is a good time to maybe enter a couple shorts on it. But not gonna lie, today I got wrecked trying to short it around 21, 20.
Well, yeah, I didn't know about Lab until today when Yobro mentioned it, and I was like, let me do some work.
Oh,
let me get it done. And I almost took profits on this wick down here, but after I realized this, and then now look, the volume on the buys are a lot lower than those sells, so we're probably gonna have a bigger drop. When it hits $8.70, you're gonna see the really big panic and liquidations for people that over leveraged bought it on the top. I mean, your trade the other day was risky, but it's even more risky when this thing went to 8 billion and people try to long the top right here. That's so, oh man. Literally, all it took was like 7 minutes from my entry until the big dump.
Oh yeah, I mean, when this thing dumps, don't be surprised if it dumps to $9. Just because of the way how it shot up from nine to $10 to 14 in one night. So, and then the raise up when it finally did get to $9 or $10, it took 3 to 4 days, maybe a little more. But my Discord, we watched it from 150. We were trading it at $1.50, and it shot up all the way up to 3 or 4. Kind of hovered around for a day or two, made it move up to 5, 6, and then from there shot up to 10. And when we did get our shorts on there, because we were shorting it, because obviously it looked overextended, we were making decent profits. And then while everyone was sleeping Eastern time, after usually the moves would happen after midnight. Then it was shooting up while everyone was asleep.
Oh yeah,
hell yeah, boy. So yeah, it was kind of happening at night, which is a classic move to rip.
Did you see GameStop ripped up after market closed today? Also, it went up. It went up over 20. It went up over 12% with volume. But
yeah, see that. It seems like there's a lot of stuff going on around here.
So I sold my GameStop around $24, and then I posted in Discord that I was out. And then a few few months later, we found out that GameStop wants to buy eBay. The CEO was really obsessed with buying eBay, and it caused the stock to just start dumping down. So we're down over 15% in the last 84 days since I sold, and I'm not ready to buy back into GameStop. I'm not ready to buy back into GameStop. I think I mentioned, like, if it goes down to like $12, because back here when it was good to accumulate, right, is no longer the same thing because the CEO is obsessed with buying another company and diluting GameStop shareholders in that path of destruction. So I'll buy GameStop at another price level, probably around $8. I have to watch it a little bit better to see what the CEO is doing. But I'm not ready.
Isn't he trying to buy eBay?
Yeah, and that's why I'm not ready to buy GameStop again. eBay is already, in my opinion, a bad business. And
Isn't that why wasn't GameStop a bad business before this whole pump for him happened?
well, ever since he's become CEO, the company has been pretty bad also. If you go into like any physical GameStop stores, it's still not a good experience. You can't buy any of the new hardware inside GameStop stores. You can't buy any of the new NVIDIA graphic cards inside GameStop stores.
No, it's more like video games.
They
and retro.
lowball you. They lowball you if you try to sell them something. They've laid off.
Oh, yeah.
They laid off thousands of employees, and right now the market cap of eBay is worth over 10 times the market cap of GameStop. GameStop doesn't even have enough cash to buy eBay. So in my mind, I thought that was pretty crazy that he even offered. And then when he was on the news, he's talked about issuing more shares. And if he issues more shares and dilute GameStop shareholders, he would get paid a bonus. Shareholders would lose value. He would get paid a bonus. That's a very big loss for the shareholders. I'm glad I sold before any of that news came out. I was in the clear like over a month or two before that happened.
Yeah, I never rode any of those rides from GameStop or any of that stuff. So I did watch it. I don't know. It seemed like too good to be true. Then by the time I heard about it, it was too late.
Yeah, I officially recognize that GameStop could go down hard. And I don't know, I'm just not taking the risk. I'm more into American gun stocks right now. I'll show you one. I bought this coin. Let me. Well, we already have my entry. I like this stock called PAL, Outdoor Holding Company. They're around $2.06. They've been on this uptrend since the green block in August 2025. They're up 79% since the green block in August.
Yeah, things that are suppressed tend to go up in price.
Yep. The price is up 75% since the green block.
And Virginia just passed gun laws that banning AR-15s and some assault rifles.
No, they're not going to ban the assault rifles, though.
In Virginia, they already did.
No, it's the Constitution.
Well, Virginia is now, and you're not allowed to buy it.
They can't enforce it. They can't.
If you have it, you're already grandfathered in to keep it.
Yeah, they can't enforce it. So they even know they can't enforce it. They were on the news talking about prosecutors say they won't enforce Virginia new gun laws. I got it right here. It would be illegal if they tried to enforce it, and they themselves would go to prison for violating the American Constitution, or worse. But prison would be the minimum if they tried to strip away American guns. They know that they cannot enforce these laws that they try to pass, or these ideas that they try to pass, memorandums. They would literally lose. And the gun stocks are winning right now. Man, I guess we're gonna watch Lab for a few more minutes until my position is closed, or until I change my mind. My original short was like 12.
I'll tell you what about Lab, buddy. I'm gonna short it at $50.
Do you honestly think their market cap's worth $8 billion?
I think whatever's happening with it is a squeeze that it's gonna look like a GameStop squeeze.
No, so that's a good idea. You said that. Do you really think this cryptocurrency lab is worth more than the market cap of GameStop?
Think about it this way.
It
What's
already
the-
squeezed.
What's a better dog, the Doge or the Lab?
The Doge.
Yeah, to us who used to trade it back in 2020.
Elon Musk, obviously.
Yeah.
Let me show you
Yeah.
something. Let me show you something. I think that following the money here, look at this. Lab is already on the front page of CoinGlass. They've already liquidated over $3.47 million in the last hour. If you look on the last 4 hours, they're not on there. Only on the last hour. The longs are 1.95 million, shorts are only 1.44 million. But this one will get built up. The open interest on crypto right now is so high, these coins will not have liquidity when the prices come back down. They don't have liquidity to even hold the $8 billion market cap. If the price did this after my short, 36% in 9 minutes, you realize what that is? 0.36 times, and then their official market cap was a little bit higher.
I could show you 500% trades on Lab, brother. It happens fast. I can post it in your general if you want.
Yeah, but I'm following the money here, and the market cap unlocked is 9.7 billion. So if you do the math, 1.3.
Yeah, this happened like a week ago with a lot. I think it's a low float stock, and then people in Bitcoin, knowing that it's going to drop, go and pump a low float and then exit once Bitcoin starts recovering.
So the market cap lost over $3 billion from the moment I entered my short until here, and then it went even lower at $15. Like, it's not worth. Their supply is 1 billion tokens, right? So, in my opinion, the market will not let them hold there. And I know how market makers work. Market makers will not be able to hold by their own guidelines and metrics at these price levels. The market makers will be forced to sell and front run retail as retail try to sell. Remember this. Market makers have access to more data than regular retail traders. If market makers see the price slipping already like this 36%, they're wide awake. They're already forced to dump. If there's someone with like a big position of short, then they have to do that on the spot side too. And if they see the future side short price dump fast, then they're going to dump the spot side on the DeFi side.
Dropping again back to 17 already.
Yeah, I mean they're being very quiet on Twitter after this pump as well, and they don't have much engagement on Twitter. Like, I'm looking here on their Twitter, and it's like they didn't say shit after this big pump to $24. They didn't say anything after this.
This looks like the same crash we took at 10 cents because we all shot it up from $3 to $10, and it did the same move.
And if you look at their website, their buyback portal isn't even working right now. It's not even activated yet. It says coming soon. It might be an okay product, but it doesn't justify being worth over $8 billion. It's not worth more than GameStop. The company doesn't even have $8 to $9 billion of cash. So, looking at my perspective, GameStop, I would rather buy GameStop at $22 than buy Lab at $22. This coin went from 13 cents up to $24.
What's your entry on this short you're in?
$23.70. I entered that short at 5:28 p.m. Eastern.
Hey, listen to me. I know you probably don't remember me. It's been a long time. Don't close this until it's at 9 cents.
No, let me explain the logic. So if I close at $4.20 versus 9 cents, it's still about the same amount of profits. Because, let me show you the math here. From $24 down to $4, that's 82%. If I try to squeeze it all the way down to like 4 cents, that's only 90%. That's only another 99 minus 82. That's only another 17%. So that's nothing. It's nothing, another 17%.
What's your leverage at?
50 times.
Yeah,
They're
gonna get wrecked. You're gonna get wrecked tonight.
I'm not gonna get
I'm
wrecked.
right there too.
I'm not
I've
gonna get
always
wrecked.
said that.
If my short pushed your price down this far, I'm not getting wrecked. I'm probably gonna have the market makers fucking message me on Telegram or email me crying, begging me.
I had 50 grand worth shorting it 3 days ago.
They're probably gonna be begging me to borrow my position.
I had like $1,000 at like 20x at one point of this lab, and then later I had some crazy shit going. Like right now, the way it acts, just be careful tonight.
Oh
Set
no,
your stop loss tight tonight.
my position is gonna be closed in the next 35 minutes.
All right, good.
It's 6:09 p.m. My position will be closed in the next 35 minutes. I already mentioned on the stream earlier today, I'm busy as fuck for the next few days. I don't know if you guys know, but I became an electrician recently.
Nice, dude. Hell yeah, there's good money in that.
Let me show you. Oh, I'm doing it for a non-profit. No, I'm not getting paid. I'm doing it for the love of the game. I became a non-profit electrician. I became a non-profit electrician on the video game called Rust. I'm showing people how to set up their solar panels, their windmills, their power, root combiners, electrical branches, to teach people about power management.
Nice, dude.
And teaching the kids about electricity as well. So their game has a new update on Thursday, and on Thursday I will be doing their wipe, and I'm gonna go around just helping people set up electricity in their bases for free. If anybody needs a free electrician, reach out to me. I'm not licensed, so I can't pull any contracts from the government. So keep that in mind. But I'll be out of my lab short probably within the next 35 minutes. I have friends coming over. I don't even have socks on. I gotta go get socks on for my shoes for when my friends get here. Yo.
We're about to break through the floor again. It's 15:30 now.
If we go to $4.20, my short's closed. I'm happy. I'm gonna have a good week. I mean, I'm already having a good week. I'm already up over 14,000% on the Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum shorts combined. When I closed the shorts earlier today. I mean, look at B Squeezy. B Squeezy did a short at 23.75. He closed his lab short at 16.50. He already earned over 1,500%. He's already out. Look at Tito. Tito did over 6,000 on Bitcoin short. My XRP short was the lowest earning, 35%. My Ethereum short earned more than Bitcoin, obviously, because Vitalik was dumping ETH prior to my short. So I earned over 5,800% on ETH short, and I earned over 5,000% on Bitcoin short. Let me tell you, the thing that makes me a good trader, the thing that makes me a really good trader is documenting my shit. If you document your trades, if you document your technical analysis, you'll perfect your strategy. You'll become more aware. They are making this crypto bleed.
14.50. Yeah.
Mike, we're going to see like a giant red candle to $4.20. My trade will be closed and I'll be out. It's cool the guy on Discord was trading lab before we ever traded it this week. Oh, look at B Squeezy. B Squeezy closed his lab short at 16.29. He made 1,249%. Ayo, ayo. Man, these candles are getting more red. So if you don't know this indicator I'm using, supply-demand equilibrium. So when supply and demand come together for an equilibrium where they're about the same, you're going to have some orange candles or some light green candles for when that demand's building up. But what we're seeing here is supply is being much higher than demand, so the candles are dark red.
Close your short.
I'm not closing my short. I'm not hitting the button. I'm waiting. I'm waiting until it breaks down. I'm waiting for the panic.
Yeah, I think it's building an M right now. We might come back up to 19 or 20 and then get our nice short.
So who's all here in the YouTube chat? Let me know who's here. Do a roll check real quick. Man, my friends are late. They were supposed to be here at 5 o'clock. By the way, if you guys want to join the Discord,
What Discord you got, bro?
our Discord that we're
Oh
in.
yeah. Let them know. Join this guy.
I'm gonna extend the March promotion. So if you guys see this on Only Scalps, the promotion keeps going on. Only a one-time fee of $200 right now. So, I don't know. If you can't make $200 trading in like a couple months, you may want to fine-tune your strategy. But if you want to join our Discord, onlyscalps.com. Yep, onlyscalps.com for the Discord. Because eventually it will not be one-time fee. Eventually all new members will have to pay monthly. All of the old members are going to be grandfathered in. No, I will not be making a new Discord. It will be the same as that Discord. You'll be able to go through years of history, years of messages. But eventually the Discord will be a community Discord and it'll be monthly fees. So keeping it one time for now until I finish setting up everything. But even the trades I've done over the past like year, I've earned way more than $200. I'll tell you that right now. Man, if I would have put only $200 into each trade I've done over the past year, it would have compounded dramatically. But think about it. Man, lab is dumping. Okay, so B Squeezy didn't close his trade yet. He meant to share it in current trades. Woo! Lab is bleeding. My God. I didn't expect it to dump this fast. All right, let's show off another winner from Don't Shoot Me 13. Don't Shoot Me 13 closed a Bitcoin long for 158%. He did a Bitcoin short, 230%. Portal short, 532%. Lab short, 110% from $15 down to $14.8. He did another lab short, 50%. Another lab short. So, this is Don't Shoot Me. I don't see I mean, these are, let me, so reminder people, only show off your profits on trades that have closed. If you have unrealized profits, you didn't close it yet, put it in share your current trades. And generally share your current trades are where I share my ongoing trades, and then when I close the trade, I post and show off your profits. Man, the people should be here soon, and if they come, I'll still try to talk with you guys for a few minutes, but we'll probably start wrapping up the stream. I know it will hit that first target that I wanted very easily, very easily. But yeah, join the Discord. Look at the kid back there playing a game. What are you playing, Russ? Are you shooting people? What is this? Are you on server? Are you on PvP? What server is this? Oh, that's our server. Yeah, yeah, nice. What's your idea, yo, bro? Now, after you seeing that drop, do you still want to close your short later or earlier? We just lost $15 on Lab.
Oh yeah, I'm holding out. I got a big chunk. The rest is kind of like a rider. I'll probably hold it for quite a while.
Jump ship at 9. It's gonna bounce at 9.
Woo!
$12.
1320. That would have been my original target right here, but I adjusted my target for my short. Woo! That would have hit the target perfectly. The first target right here, $12. I told you the math there why I did that target, but the math changed after this part right here. Like we're down 15% from that dip. So this is dip number 1. And then we have dip number 2, and then I guess the third dip will get us there. 1, 2, 3. I'm waiting on like dip number 3. I like threes. Ross Bomber, thanks for a $2 super chat. You didn't have to give me a $2 super chat. He says, what's your current state of analysis for EHETS? Well, for HETS on Ethereum, I think that it's at a very bottom low because Richard Hart didn't really do much with the sacrifice funds for Pulse Chain. And he made the mistake of buying the absolute top on Ethereum before prices came down. So That caused a drain on liquidity in the system, and it caused Pulse Chain to drop, and everything tied to Pulse Chain and HETS dropped as well. I think eventually Richard Hart will be forced to come around and do something and try to put liquidity back into the project, and the prices may go back up in the future. Until then, we probably won't see the price going back up, and I think EHETS will probably not pump too hard until Ethereum starts recovering. Once ETH starts recovering again, like my long's at 1902, if ETH breaks back above 2400, you might see some liquidity and some volume back on HETS in the Pulse Chain ecosystem. Keep in mind, HETS was a fork. Sorry, EHETS is the original HETS, and then they have Pulse Chain HETS, which is a fork of that. Pulse Chain forked the entire Ethereum blockchain. We felt we're $12 on Lab. $12 on Lab. Oh man.
Hold it.
This is great.
Hold it.
1175.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Let me not look at my phone. I don't want to open Telegram or X or my email and see some market makers bitching at me. Crying.
It's not you, Papa.
Yo, Tame. Close your position. Let me borrow your position, Tame.
Meow.
Yo, Tame, please stop shorting our coin, Tame. Bro, it's only a joke, Tame. We didn't mean to raid your base on Rust, Tame. We didn't mean to take all your metal scraps.
Hey, it's almost to 9. Get ready to close this. It's gonna bounce.
No, at 420 it might bounce. $4.20. Marijuana.
I'm telling you, brother.
Meow.
I have been watching Lab for 10 days. Actually, since May 11th.
Buddy, let me tell you how long I've been watching Lab. Less than an hour. Yeah, you probably have a lot more data than I do. I've been watching this shit for less than an hour.
There was your 9.8.
It just fell under $10 right there.
9.8 was the sale.
Look at this. The volume is actually picking up on the sales down here. More people are selling it here than was selling it back here. So they had the opportunity to sell here on this pump, but now they're selling it more here. After it dropped another 48%, now we're getting an increase in sales. My target at 420 should hit relatively soon. Oh my God almighty. Oh Lord Jesus. You guys want to know something interesting about the markets? Have you seen the TV show The Boys? They're selling the original costumes from the TV show. It's so crazy. I might bid for the Homelander costume. It's I gotta find the website where you can buy them again.
$8.50.
Jesus Christ. I'm out. Sorry.
840.
Y'all.
867.
Enjoy it. Enjoy this short.
Should I buy the Homelander? Did someone already buy it? No. Oh, okay. Guys, check this out. Maybe I'll use some profits to buy this costume from the Boys TV show. The highest bid right now is $7,500 for the Boys Homelander Hero Soup costume. Look at this. I'm joking. I'm not gonna buy this. I can make this cheaper myself. I can watch a YouTube video tutorial about sewing and make this myself.
This price action, man. It is dropping.
So you can either A, predict the charts, or B, you can make the charts. Guys, my short will close at 420 and I will not look back. I would be more than happy with my profits when this hits 420. This is my day trade. Check this out. Check this volume. Look, the volume even picked up higher right here. 1.96 million, 1.95 million. It's almost like someone's trying to sell the same amount as up here, 1.9 million. I bet you that whoever's been holding it like is very happy with their profits as well. And there's not enough liquidity to hold it here. Like this was $8 billion market cap. Now what where are we at? Like a third of that? And then coin market cap obviously lagging behind. They don't have the fucking real-time data on their website. Otherwise, they would crash. Like they still have like $9.88 on coin market cap. The market cap now is $3 billion. So we went from 12 billion to $3 billion.
Weeks is down to 271 million.
So I don't think that's what you're looking at in market cap. Let me see. Can you send me a screenshot of what you're seeing where it says 270 something million? Let me. I'm very curious where you you might be looking at something else.
We'll put it in our chat. It's just the week's info spot.
Oh, that was outdated data then. That's like from before. Look at B Squeezy on Discord, everyone. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, we have 28 people watching. And we're up over 3,000% on the trade. This channel is really a hidden gem. Look, B Squeezy did one trade on Lab, made 1,200%. He did another trade on Lab when it bounced to 1734 and closed at $8.98 for 4,600%. What a fucking good trade, B Squeezy. He did 2 trades.
Yeah, I'm at 3,300% so far.
We're under $8. We're at $7.46. Oh, he said it's tamed. That's the current trade. Oh yeah, I'm my bad. This is current trades. This is second trade. He's still shorting it. I wonder if he's going to try to close it where I do at 420. You guys want me to put them on speaker when they call me, begging me for mercy? Should I turn this YouTube stream into a kick stream? Don't worry, I'll give them mercy at 420. I won't write it all the way down. I will give them my absolute mercy at $4.
It's at $5.90.
They will have my mercy very soon. Ding, 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 ding. Come on, guys. Did you copy this trade? Be honest. Come on, come on. All we have to do is drop like $1 something, $2, and it'll liquidate the people down to 420. My position will close. They will get mercy at 420. Honest, YouTube, did you copy the trade? Did you short Lab? Fuck, my green block popped up at $5.80. No, it disappeared. I'm seeing a little bit of equilibrium here. I'm seeing people buying it at 580. Holy fuck. I know that I have to trade what I see, not what I think. But let's see if that equilibrium gets crushed out by demand. If we get a lot of demand, price will turn green on the candle. If they have more supply to dump, it will turn green. Sorry, red. Let's see here. Fuck, I saw it at 580. I saw some big buys at $5.80. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was great. Like, you guys didn't see it probably, but I saw it. And the RSI is completely oversold on the 1 minute here now, finally. Oh no. Oh, 580, my green block tried to come in here. I'm seeing fucking demand for this coin now. People want to buy it. I'm seeing that demand. Holy fuck. Guys. Fuck me. I'm closing it. I'm closing my short. I'm not being greedy. Fuck it. I closed at 748. I closed my short 748. Alright. I closed my short 748. I can't hold it all the way down. The big buys are coming in. Fuck, at 580, I saw the buys. They were pushing it. All right, let me put it in show off your profits. All right, let me throw this on show off your profits. All right, I closed my short. I saw the buys. I have to trade what I see. I wanted to really get 420, but I could not do it. I made 3,421%. That was my day trade. My friends are about to be here. Wait, I'm trying to figure this out. Wait, how did I get less percent than you and you had a fucking worse entry? What is, let me see this shit. What?
There's a
What?
lot of slippage. When I closed my quarter, I had a big slippage.
I'm looking at B Squeezy. He's up 4,600%. His entry was at 17. My entry's at 23. And I only was up 3,420% when I closed my trade.
Yeah, I'm up 3,600% right now.
So yeah, that's weird. That's weird. And we're both on 50 times leverage. I don't understand. What? Oh no, I closed the trade though. I'm out. I'm out. I secured the profits. You guys want to see my profits? Close that shit. 3,420%. I closed it. I'm out. I'm out. Like, that's it. I'm out. I'm happy. I wanted to go to 420, but I'm happy here. I don't have time for it to go play ping pong.
I played a little ping pong. I grabbed a $75 long down there at the bottom just to snatch some profit loss.
Yep, well, I'm happy with the profit. I'm sure my friends were supposed to be here like first 5, then 6:30. They're late. The fuck is this shit? Let me call them real quick. If you did close your short, put and show off your profits. I'm happy where I closed it. That was. All right, I think my friends are here. I'm gonna wrap up the stream. You guys have a great day. Happy trading with you guys. Had a really fun stream. Really fun stream. Hope you come back and see me next time.
Yeah, Tame, you got to do a little more often. I'm over here always looking for a little live action.
Yes, sir. All right, everyone, have a good night. Peace out. Happy trading. Join the Discord. Get with us. OnlyScalps.com. Those 3,000% was a really good trade. Even if that only happens once a year, that's good. Typically for me, like my trades, at least like a once or twice a month for trades. Similar to that, so. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, peace out. Have a good night, yo, bro. Take it easy. Be squeezy. Peace out. Peace out. Subscribe, like.